One of the things that I absolutely love is a beautiful, timeless bag. Very, very luxury, very simple in its outline, so it's never gonna go out of style, but done in this beautiful texture. This is such a rich, gorgeous, amazing texture. It's these tones of rich browns and this beautiful kind of snake embossing. I love the way that it's put together. It's gonna have a lot of room. It's gonna be lightweight, but it's gonna be absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it's centered down the front. I love the way it's centered on the sides, and I love the way it has just enough structure. It's the simplicity and the elegance and the texture and the colors that really, really make this bag rich. When you're looking at it, if you open the front, you can do a little tighter, a little looser. You have two options right there. But when you open it, inside is very simple. This is the inside of the leather. You have this large pocket still done in the snake embossed leather, and then you have this insert that you can either put in or take out to put your important things, organize other things around it, plus the inside pocket. It makes it really, really organized. I absolutely love everything about it. It's gonna give you a lot of room. It's never going to be heavy. It's gonna be the kind of bag that fits over your shoulder or over your arm. It's something you're gonna carry 12 months out of the year, and it's always gonna look like you broke the bank.